Hi, welcome to my channel, and today I am super excited to make a review of the best drone that is ever made. It's the DJi Mavic Air. Before I make this review, I want to thank my friend Gautam Pai, who was kind enough to get a DJi Mavic Air and lend it to me for the review. Pai is a drone enthusiast. He keeps buying drones because he loves the technology in it. Stay tuned. With the drone case, carry case with all the accessories. Look how tiny the drone is. Let's unpack. Remote controller, charger, battery charging hub, 2 additional batteries, cable connecting different mobile devices, battery to power bank adapter, USB Type-C cable, additional propellers, additional joystick sticks, a USB Type-C to a micro USB converter. Every time DJi has done a stunning drone, and this time the Mavic Air looks like a sports car, and DJi's design engineering team has set the bar higher in design. This drone has 3-directional obstacle avoidance system with dual vision sensors for forward sensing, backward sensing and downward sensing. The onboard battery is 2375 mAh, giving the Mavic Air the flight time of about 21 minutes. The camera with 3-axis gimbal can record up to 4K at 100 Mbps and can track up to 16 subjects. The Mavic Air comes with the onboard storage of 8 GB and can be expandable up to 256 GB with the micro SD card. This is the biggest functional convenience. The Mavic Air remote control comes with the removable joystick levers. You can remove them from the mount and screw them to the controls. Also, you get 2 additional pair of joystick levers in case you miss them. This is a Mavic Air remote and this is a Mavic Pro remote. But the difference is the Mavic Pro remote has the screen and the Mavic Air remote much looks like a Spark remote. Spark and the Mavic Air runs on Wi-Fi, whereas the Mavic Pro runs on the radio signals. This is a DJi Mavic Pro and this is a DJi Mavic Air. Look at how tiny the DJi Mavic Air is. This drone is the best in the technology of drone making, and this drone has APAS, that means Advanced Pilot Assistance System. You can fly this drone fearlessly. Let's take it out and take the Mavic Air into the air.
Take off. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
My favorite feature in the DJi Mavic Air is the smart capture. In this mode, the camera will detect the subject, and once the subject is detected, you can hold the palm in front of the camera and the palm is detected. With this mode, you can take off the drone, hover the drone around the position that you want. This is a very accurate feature and quite surprisingly accurate. Feels like an Iron Man. When the drone is in the right position, you can just make a frame gesture and the drone will start recording the video automatically. To stop the recording, do the frame gesture again. In the smart capture mode, spread the palms away in front of your drone and the drone moves away from you. Do not worry, the drone has the backward obstacle avoidance sensor. Even if there is an obstacle, it will just take care when flying. To enter into the selfie mode, make a frame sign and immediately make a peace symbol again, and the drone will enter into selfie mode.
2, 1.
When the drone is in the smart capture mode, it automatically follows the subject when you move away from the drone or when you move towards the drone, and this feature is turned on by default. After a long day of filming with Sujan and his Canon 80D, it's time to hover the drone towards Sujan and it's time for a selfie. There you go. Smart capture features are very precise and surprisingly very accurate. Very good job DJi, you got it right this time. Finally, the Advanced Pilot Assistance System. When turned on, the drone will fly away or fly around the obstacle, and its obstacle sensing capabilities are enhanced. With this, you can fly the Mavic Air fearlessly, and that's what I like about it.
3, 2, 1.